Good afternoon, welcome back to another video. So basically I decided to record another 1 month of my progress. The last video I did, the format was absolutely terrible. Like the part where you can see me solving the cube is so small, and then I have like the timer taking up the full screen, which was an absolutely terrible format. So yeah, I decided to just record another month of my progress. This time I have the format correctly. So yeah, let's get started. So basically the past month I've just been doing all casual solves. I have done no solves on the stack mat timer. I've literally just been casually just hand scrambling the cube and then solving the cube. Sometimes slow solves, sometimes fast solves. But yeah, I would, pick up the cube a few times a week and then have practice sessions. I would say no longer than 10 minutes. So honestly, I haven't been practicing seriously over the past month. Yeah, I've just been cubing casually, and yeah, I'm hoping that this is enough to maintain my sub-19 average. As you can see in the computer screen here, I have the last time I've been on CS Timer was November 27th. So yeah, let's see if I have managed to maintain my speed. Okay, without further ado, let's just get started. So yeah, last month I did get a sub-19 average. Let's see if I can maintain that sub-19 average this time. All right, let's get started. I think I have a chance of maintaining my sub 20-second average. I did time myself a few times with my phone, and yeah, I was getting around 19 and 20-second solves, so I would say there's definitely a chance, but we'll just have to see. All right, first solve, we'll do an average of 12. Hopefully I can get a sub 20 average. Probably won't talk for the rest of the video just to stay focused on solving the cube. Okay. And I also want to focus more on, inspection, because my cross is really bad, and I want to make most use of my time during inspection. That was dead. Terrible. Fudge, man. There's still a chance. Still a chance to get a sub-20 average. Stretch my arms a bit. My hands are getting sweaty. Bro, is that a +2? I will have to rewind the video to check that. But for right now, I'm saying Actually, let's just put +2. Just so you know, worst case scenario, so I won't be upset in the end if it did turn out to be a +2, so okay. Wow, that was crazy. Come on, we can do this. Let's go. Last solve here. Oh my gosh. Solid, solid. Okay, we got a 20.09 average of 12. If I did not get the +2 on that on solve number 10, let me see. That would have been a 19.89 average of 12. So I will have to rewind the video to check if I did get the sub average of 12. I would have to rewind the video to check to see if that solve was indeed a +2 and if I did get that sub 20 average of 12. So bear with me, guys. Let me check the footage first. So unfortunately, guys, I just checked the footage. Solve number 10 is indeed a +2. It just happens that I slammed my cube so hard on the table that it just turned one of the edges at the end, which resulted in a +2. So yeah, the final result is a 20.09 average of 12. I think I will keep posting monthly progress videos. I do want to keep maintaining my speed on cubing. I don't just want to like give up on cubing. I want to keep cubing and being able to solve the cube in under 20 seconds. So I don't think it is disappointing. It's just, I mean, a little disappointing, but you know, we always have next month to look forward to. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It is Christmas Eve today. I do plan to upload this video today. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.